Welcome to Tech Hub Reviews. Top 2 website best gadget today. We're checking out stylish headphone cases, premium earbuds, and innovative camera accessories designed to protect your gear and enhance your everyday tech experience. Number 1. Keep your headphones organized and protected with the Vichy headphone stand. Featuring a sturdy aluminum alloy support rod, a heavy non-slip base, and a soft silicone cover holder, it provides stable and scratch-free support for your headset. The ergonomic inclined design makes storing and accessing headphones effortless, while its durable construction ensures excellent stability for AirPods Max, gaming headsets, Bluetooth headphones, and most other over-ear headphones. Number 2. The Kala's USB headset is a lightweight and comfortable communication headset designed for business, call centers, and online meetings. Featuring a noise-canceling microphone, DSP audio technology, and acoustic shock protection, it delivers clear voice quality for professional conversations. With simple plug-and-play USB connectivity, inline audio controls, and wide compatibility with PCs, laptops, and major UC platforms, it's an ideal choice for work, Skype calls, and virtual conferencing. Number 3. The Brigii Y120 Pro is a compact 3-in-1 cordless device that functions as a mini vacuum cleaner, air duster, and hand pump. Powered by an 80W motor with strong suction, it easily cleans car interiors, keyboards, crevices, and other hard-to-reach spaces. Its lightweight, portable design and multiple attachments make it a convenient tool for home, office, and travel use. Number 4. Protect and store your AirPods Max with this premium hardshell travel case from Inca. Designed for a perfect fit, it supports sleep mode functionality while safeguarding your headphones from scratches, bumps, drops, and dust. Featuring a durable EVA exterior, soft velvet lining, shockproof interior design, smooth dual zippers, and a comfortable carrying handle, this case offers reliable protection and convenient portability for everyday use and travel. Number 1. Enhance your home security. Enhance your home security with this smart wireless video doorbell camera featuring 1080p HD video, night vision, motion detection alerts, and two-way audio communication. With 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity and cloud storage support, it allows you to monitor visitors, receive real-time notifications, and stay connected to your home from anywhere. Number 2. Bosch Go 3 Cordless Electric Screwdriver. The Bosch Go 3 Cordless Electric Screwdriver is a compact and powerful tool designed for fast and efficient screw installation and removal. Featuring a rechargeable battery, precise torque control, and an ergonomic design, it delivers reliable performance for DIY projects, home repairs, and professional tasks. Its lightweight construction and easy one-hand operation make it a convenient addition to any toolbox. Number 3. Xiaomi Mi Jia Smart Abdominal Wheel. The Xiaomi Mi Jia Smart Abdominal Wheel is a durable fitness training tool designed to strengthen your core and improve overall body stability. Featuring a strong load-bearing structure, non-slip roller design, and smart app connectivity, it helps users track workouts and maintain proper exercise routines. Ideal for home fitness enthusiasts, it provides a safe and effective way to build abdominal, arm, and shoulder strength. Number 4. Tuya BLE Smart Electronic Door Lock Cylinder. Upgrade your security with the Tuya BLE Smart Electronic Door Lock Cylinder, featuring multiple unlocking methods, including fingerprint recognition, mobile app control, PIN code, IC card, and traditional keys. Designed for homes, hotels, and offices, it offers convenient keyless access, enhanced security, and remote management when paired with the M1 gateway. Its smart connectivity and user-friendly operation make everyday access safer and more convenient. Number 5. Liectrix S9 Window Cleaning Robot. The Liectrix S9 Window Cleaning Robot is an advanced smart cleaner designed to keep glass surfaces spotless with minimal effort. Featuring dual roller brushes, a 6-way water spray system, and powerful 10,000 Pascal suction, it delivers efficient and thorough cleaning on both framed and frameless windows. With smart app control and automated navigation, it offers a convenient, hands-free solution for maintaining sparkling clean windows at home or in the office. Number 6. Fashion Steel Smartwatch. The Fashion Steel Smartwatch combines style and functionality with a sleek metal design suitable for both men and women. Featuring IP68 waterproof protection, heart rate monitoring, fitness tracking, and remote camera control, it helps you stay connected and monitor your daily activities with ease. Compatible with both Android and iOS devices, this smartwatch is a versatile companion for work, fitness, and everyday life. Hello friends, that brings us to the end. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a like. See you in the next video.